Disclaimer: this video contains frightening imagery, loud sounds, and intense themes intended for entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised, not recommended for young children or sensitive viewers.
Hi, Lord Berry. Welcome me to the Royal Knights Camp. What's up, filthy pirates? Looking after secret restaurants.
Can I help you?
No. You all good. I'm trying to make sure she all good.
I'm good.
No. I got you. She is managed. She wants to take me. I just want to talk to her. That's it.
Then you can go over there.
Okay.
Alyssa, it's not funny. Get inside. Get inside.
I know. Look at the fucking ring.
This footage right here literally is the reason I never ever want to leave my house again. Me and my husband don't really get out much together, so we hired a babysitter and went out to dinner. And my phone had an alert, and this is what we saw on the doorbell. We called our babysitter and told her to go into the master bedroom and lock herself in the bathroom. Told her basically nothing's wrong, just a precaution. And we left the restaurant and came right home. But on the way home, of course, I'm watching this. God, I don't know what was said. The whole video recorded as white noise. But clearly she has something in her hands and it looks like a baby. And there's a storm outside. I don't know what her intentions were until we saw what she did at the end. But before that, she's just staring up into the sky. There was no rain. It was just thunder and lightning, constant. I had the babysitter on speakerphone on the way home while I'm watching this happen. We tried to reassure her and let her know that the police are on their way. It won't be too long. What I saw next made my heart drop. The thing we can see her holding here that looks like a baby was a doll. She must have been using it as a prop to get into people's houses.
On November 30th, 2021, a Twitter user from Dallas reported that her doorbell camera had recorded a suspicious man standing outside of her apartment almost every night for an entire month. According to her tweet, she had already reached out to the authorities, but they hadn't done enough to keep the man away. This is what her Ring camera captured. In most of the clips, the man can be seen standing eerily still outside of the woman's apartment, possibly waiting for her to come outside. At one point in the video, the man can be heard talking, but his words are difficult to make out. It's unknown what he planned to do if the woman stepped out of her apartment, but judging by his behavior, it likely wasn't anything good. After the original upload, the disturbing video immediately went viral, with hundreds of people checking in on the woman to make sure she was safe. 2 days later, the woman posted an update on Twitter, in which she mentioned that her friends and family had confronted the man, and that security had been on the lookout for him. Many people who viewed the video urged the uploader not to let her guard down, and reminded her that the likelihood that the man would show up again was very high. But after the last tweet in December 2021, there haven't been any more updates, and the man's identity hasn't been publicly revealed.
Say it's enough. I think I'm gonna die in this house. I think I'm gonna die in this house. I think I'm gonna die in this house. I think I'm gonna die in this
Who is it? Who is that? What the hell?
TikTok user Giorgio Ramirez was arriving home with her son one night, and this terrifying experience happened. Take a look.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that? Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
You can see that he waits for her to get inside. Then he tries the door to see if she had left the door open. Luckily, she didn't, or this could have turned out a lot more scarier. Who knows what he could have done?
Who is that? Get out of here!
Remember, people, keep your doors locked.
In 2018, a mother woke up at midnight to a Ring doorbell notification. The camera revealed a man wearing a TV on his head, carefully setting down an old TV on her porch. She froze in confusion and horror as the man turned toward the camera, cocked his head, and slowly waved at it, seeming to acknowledge her presence. Before she could do anything else, the man walked off into the darkness. What she didn't know was that this was merely the first incident of many. That night, TV Head, as the public named him, dropped off TVs at dozens of other homes in the neighborhood. Police went by loading each one up into a truck as rumors began circulating questioning potential motives. Some argued that the TVs may contain harmful materials or explosives and shouldn't be brought inside. Others simply viewed it as a prank, albeit a creepy one. Although the police found that the TVs were ultimately harmless, the hunt to find the suspect, and hopefully his motive, was now on. Luckily, it didn't take long for them to receive a tip on a local 19-year-old. They quickly got a search warrant and found that he stashed an additional 30 TVs in a nearby abandoned building. They planned to charge him with trespassing, illegal dumping, and felony wearing a mask in public, but seemed to drop the charges once he revealed it was a prank.
This doorbell camera in Alaska captured a strange moment when a woman walked up to this house at 3 a.m. and asked to use the washroom. The homeowner wanted to help, but was suspicious, so he decided to say this.
Can I help you?
Hey, I live down the road. I was going to ask if I could use your restroom.
Sorry, I got dogs in here. They're not very friendly.
Okay. Have a good night. Yeah, sorry it's so late.
But as she was walking back, the homeowner waited to see where she would go, and that's when he saw that she came in her pickup truck and then decided to drive away.
Are you serious?